give you ideas on how to design your vise.
So math is very important in this industry because even if you have all the dimensions, sometimes you need to use the math in order to calculate what other things need to be done. So for example, we had to use a lot of congruent math to figure out the size that each of these triangles for the groove needed to be.
I really liked how easy it was to change the design in Inventor. One of the things I learned was how to get the lock tool to work so that we could make the handle.
Printer is great for the engineering industry because it allows you to see if your model is functional.
It is also useful because you can print with ABS plastic instead of using steel for the first time.
Thread the vise, we picked up the correct tab. It was a 3/8/16. And then to thread the shaft, we used the 3/8/16 die. It was this one right here.
And by threading both the shaft and the base of the vise, we were able to put the two parts together.
After 3D printing, we had to drill a hole in the jaw and in the shaft because the hole was smaller than we expected.
And currently we are gluing the handle stopper to the handle so that it does not fall out of the shaft.